Hey everybody, welcome back to Destination Fulltime and welcome to the Monday Mixer.
Yes.
That's right. We haven't done a Monday Mixer in probably almost a year now.
Yeah.
But
we'd bring it back.
Yeah, for a special edition, this Monday Mixer is all about the Hershey RV Show.
It was very sweet.
Oh, it was sweet. The Hershey RV Show, it was our very first time attending.
Yeah.
Julie got to attend a lot because I worked all week. So
I was there Tuesday through, today.
Yep.
Every day.
The event started on Tuesday.
Well, Wednesday.
Wednesday, yes.
Tuesday was media day.
Yeah. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I finally got to go on Saturday. What did we do on Saturday?
Well, we had two meetups. We went to the Blue Tech booth and talked and did a meet and greet and talked about the products and helped people that were interested in knowing more about the water filtration system. And then in the afternoon, we had our own meet and greet and we gave away
a Halo View BT10 TPMS.
Yes.
What are we giving away?
We are giving away a Halo View BT10 TPMS.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
What is this?
All right.
Magic fingers, who's gonna be the winner? Okay, there you go. Oh, gosh, put on my glasses. 674-189.
Woo! So a very excited person.
That's right.
Barb.
That's right. Thank you everybody for showing up
Yes.
and showing out at our meetup and
Yes.
also in the Blue Tech booth. We are happy. We love Blue Tech.
Yep.
We have clean drinking water because of Blue Tech. So
Yes.
we were very happy to go hang out with them for an hour. And
Hey,
meet
and we
you
got
guys.
some cool hats.
We did get some cool hats. We got a lot of cool everything. I think we came here and left with about 10 or 12 more t-shirts than we arrived with because everybody's giving us free t-shirts for some reason. So,
But we need to go through our other shirts and see what we can recycle because we know Jason has to give up at least that many shirts. It's not me, right?
is she okay? I don't know. Anyway, we have made
I don't
it.
like giving up shirts.
I know.
I want them all.
We have made it to Sunday, and we did not buy a new RV.
Right. We're exhausted.
It is a lot.
My feet hurt.
It is a lot. It is the world's, or they advertise it as the world's largest RV show. I would say it's pretty large.
Yeah, I would say I did hear a rumor that there was 44 football stadiums worth of RVs. Now, I don't know-
Fields.
Football fields.
Yes.
Thank you. But I would say the vendors, it seemed like there was less vendors than at Tampa, but that's okay.
I don't know that it seemed like that.
No?
I didn't think so.
But I love the arena and the fact that it was all AC. You could sit down with your food. Like that part was really great. And
I think I think it seems like it's fewer vendors because they have vendors outside and inside down in the arena,
True.
but then all around the concourse of the arena as well. So when you take and added them all up, I think it's probably about the same amount, if not
I'm not
more.
sure.
Because there was a lot outside too.
Yeah, I'm not real sure. I will say where we had our meet and greet was a little bit out of the way in the back 40. And I know it was in a better place than it was last year from what I hear. We did give some suggestions on maybe where they could have it next year. We'll see.
Yeah, we appreciate everybody that came to see us because it was a hike.
Yeah. Yeah. And unless you were looking at Brinkley's, Grand Designs, or Newmar, I believe was the other one. Unless you were looking at those, you would not have found us. Because we were literally in the back 40, the back corner of the entire place.
Yep.
So
again, it was a long week and weekend, but a great one. We had a lot of fun. Got to meet up with a bunch of our friends, a bunch of friends that you guys probably know as well because you probably watch their channels. I think we went to dinner pretty much every single night and hung out with people that we know every single night. So we had a great time. It was great. And but again, no new RV for us this year.
No. Did any of you come to the show and buy an RV? We actually met quite a few people that did.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it was exciting, the whole process. And, you know, it's exciting when someone buys a new RV. We are still trying to figure out what we want to do. But I would say Jason opened his mind to some new ideas.
I will say that you guys in the Tiffin family, you got me close. You got me close. I'm just not there yet.
Yeah.
Just not quite. Couldn't find one that would work for the way we need to work at this stage in our life. Yet.
Right, because we're not retired yet. We're still both working.
Yeah, we need that two separate workspaces.
Right.
Didn't find that yet.
But we
we're gonna
found a
keep
few
looking.
close things, so we're gonna see what else is out there. But we also looked at some pretty awesome fifth wheels, and our new favorite, the ATC.
Yeah, ATC is pretty sharp. I'm just saying.
Yeah. So,
But I will also say that pretty much still like what we have.
yeah. I mean, it has to be spectacular because of the interest rates. It really does. And our interest rate would double right now.
Yeah, you have to, I think anytime you talk about buying RVs, it's great, but you have to be in the position that it works for you.
Right.
And you have to buy the type of RV that works for you, right? Obviously. So if you can afford a higher interest rate, that's great. I don't want to pay a higher interest rate right now. So I'm going to keep looking, keep doing research, keep going to RV shows.
Yeah.
There's another one in January in Tampa, Florida.
Well, there's a lot of little ones up until then.
There is.
Regionals.
But it was cool, and what is really cool about the RV shows is you oftentimes get to see new floor plans, especially at the Hershey show.
Yeah.
We did get to see some very new and unique floor plans that had offices built into them and workspaces built into them, which is the new thing that is kind of happening now. They understand that more and more families are needing the ability to work out of the RV, and they're building them that way.
Well, and somebody was kissing my hand and scared me half to death, and then I realized it was Maddie.
We're going to
Maddie
show
wanted
you,
to say hi.
Yeah, we're going to show you what Maddie thought of the week right now. That's what she thought of the week.
Actually, Maddie has had a traumatic experience lately. About how long ago?
I think last month, Maddie, unfortunately, she's had some teeth problems in the past, and she had to get some teeth removed in the past, and about a month ago she had to get 18 more teeth removed.
Yes, 18.
Yeah, so she's gumming her food, and as always, she will not bite you because now she really can't bite you. But
she wouldn't bite you anyway.
she's doing all better now.
But
and
her little teeth don't hold her tongue in the front anymore, so even worse than before.
Yeah,
So it's
exactly.
adorable.
So anyway, if you bought an RV at the Hershey Show, drop us a comment and let us know.
Yes.
And if you're still looking like us, drop us a comment. Let us know what's interesting to you as
Yeah,
far
what
as
did
an
you see
RV.
that was exciting at the show if you went?
If you have a Tiffin and you have the ability to work, two people working in the Tiffin, drop us a
We
note. Let
want
us
to know because you never know.
If you have an RV at all where both of you work and you have to be on the phone and you have separate workspaces,
Yes.
let us know what you have.
You'd have
We're
to have
looking.
separation.
We're interested in what there might be out there.
And I'm just so excited that Jason's willing to look at other options now.
I'm just so excited that Julie has won the lottery and didn't tell me so we can get a new one.
Right.
But anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick update, this quick Monday mixer. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Do all the things. And until next time, guys, we hope that you find your next
Destination.
Thanks so much for watching.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Fulltime.